ever feel like your to-do list is longer than your day? Here's Trello, a super easy way to organize everything from work tasks to personal goals in one place. So how to use it? First, go to your browser and go to Trello.com. Create an account and sign in. Once you've signed in, click Create at the top, then select Create Board if you would like to create from scratch or start with a template if you want a ready-made template. In this video, we'll choose Create Board. Now, select a background for your board, then give it a name. Let's say ABC Weekly Planner. Then, choose your visibility for your board, whether it could be private, workspace, or public, and hit Create button. And boom, your workspace is now ready. Lists help you organize the flow of your tasks. Most people start with 3, such as to do, doing, and done. But feel free to customize it, like to do, in progress, and done. Now, inside each list, you will add cards. These are your actual tasks. Click Add a card and type something like Create Lesson Plan for Week 1 and hit Enter. In here, you can add card as much as you want. The best part? You can drag and drop cards between lists as you work. It's so satisfying to move a card to done. Now, you can click on it to add details in the description box, add labels, checklists, due dates, and even attach files. Trello also has a Power Apps too. You can integrate other apps such as Slack, Google Drive, and more. Plus, the mobile app is just as clean and easy to use. Just a pro tip, you can click this small circle to mark as incomplete or complete. And for labels, you can simply click on it to hide in and hide to visually organize and categorize tasks quickly. And that's it. You've got the basics to start organizing your chaos with Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.